Memory buttons on the Casio calculator. There are 9 basic memory buttons on the calculator. A, B, C, D, E, F, then X, Y and M. So 9 memory locations that you can use, while in practice you really will only use up to maybe 2 or 3 at any time. Where are they located? Here. In red, directly above these buttons here that I'm pointing to, you can see A to F on that row, and then X, Y and M are on the next row above those keys in red. So, for example, let's take a very simple one to store the number 2 into memory location A. First of all, we type in the number 2, then shift on the RCL button, because if you look above the RCL button you will see STO in yellow. For STO stands for store. So if you want to store a number, it's always shift and the RCL. The fourth step tells you what location that you want to put it into. In our case, we want to put it into memory location A, which is above the bracket with the minus key in it. So let's do those steps. Press AC if it's not cleared already, and we'll start. 2. Shift first of all, followed by the RCL key. Notice STO comes up on the top line. Where do we want to put it into? Memory location A, minus button. Notice the calculator shows it to you on the screen. 2's gone into memory location A. Now if you want to check, press AC. This is to recall that number. So if you wanted to recall something that you had stored, after clearing the screen, you can go ahead then with the recall key. RCL stands for recall. So RCL, press that once. Now, where do you want to retrieve it from? Memory location A, which is the minus button. As soon as you do it, up comes 2 here in the screen. So then you could go ahead and say add it to something or whatever you wanted to do with it. Now we'll press the clear screen and we'll put 8 into this time memory location B. So we've cleared our screen, 8 followed by shift and then the RCL key. This time then we want to put it into memory location B, which is on the degrees, minutes and seconds button. So hit it once and it shows it going into B. Now finally, let's use these numbers that we've stored and add the value of A and B. So we're really going to be adding 2 and 8, and we know the answer is 10, but let's see how the calculator would do that. So recall, after pressing AC, you want to recall A, so recall on the minus key will recall A. Then go on to the next step, plus. Then recall B is RCL on the degrees, minutes and seconds button, and that'll add it to B. Finally, press equals and your answer is 10.